Changing the language settings on eToro is a simple process. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change language settings on eToro. So if you want to do that, on the web version, click on the settings in the left hand menu, then click on the general, and if it is on the mobile app, tap on the menu icon at the top of the screen, then tap on settings and general. So once you do follow the two process, then select under the language section, click on the current display language. After that, then you can choose your preferred language from the list of the language that we have in the box. Then after that, on the web version, you can also change the language by clicking on your portfolio value at the bottom right on the watch list or portfolio screen. So you can also change it there. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.